Hello everyone, it's Rima and you're watching Offside Opinions. As always, I'm back with another IPL squad breakdown video where we look at different teams to see how strong it looks and how well it can perform in the tournament. So any guesses which team we are going to talk about today? Here's a hint. When you think of their opening pair, the word power hitting instantly comes to mind. Yes, it's the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Well, without a doubt, Sunrisers Hyderabad took the IPL by storm last year. Such aggressive batting approach, crossing the 250 figure mark 3 times and also setting the record for the highest ever score in IPL history. They were such an exciting team to watch. I know many thought they would go all the way, but then they fell short in the end, finishing as the runners up. But after some key retentions and some smart buys in the auction, they are gearing up once again for a strong title challenge. So let's take a look at their 2025 squad. So they have Abhishek Sharma, Travis Head, Klasen, Nitish Reddy, Ishan Kishan, their leader Pat Cummins, Mohammad Shami, Harshal Patel, Adam Zampa, Rahul Chahar, among others. Wow, what a squad! That looks like a really formidable lineup. So, do I even need to say what is one of their biggest strengths? I mean, is there any other opening pair in the IPL as destructive as Abhishek Sharma and Travis Head? Well, I don't think so. The word explosive does not even begin to describe them. This duo completely redefined power play batting last season, isn't it? And the numbers are insane. Travis Head scored 567 runs at a strike rate of 191, while Abhishek Sharma scored 484 runs at an impressive strike rate of 204. Now, if these two once again replicate that form this year, opposition bowlers better be prepared. And it's not just the opening pair. Now, Sunrisers Hyderabad have got Ishan Kishan at number 3, which further strengthens that top order. And just like Sharma and Head, Ishan Kishan can also be aggressive. And if he gets going, he can also score those quick runs to put the opposition under pressure. Then they have Nitish Reddy. And then, of course, Klasen, a beast of a finisher. He can make any chase look easy and achievable, isn't it? So that's a solid top 5. And now, it's not just their batting. Their bowling attack looks equally strong. With Pat Cummins leading the attack alongside Mohammad Shami, that pace bowling lineup is stacked. Then they also have Harshal Patel, who is a known wicket taker and is also a 2-time Purple Cap winner. Then they have Nitish Reddy, who can be their fourth seamer. And they also have depth in pace bowling in Jaydev Unadkat and Simarjit Singh. And then in Adam Zampa and Rahul Chahar, they have a reliable spin duo with Abhishek Sharma coming in handy as the additional spinner. Even with such a strong squad, I think one concern for Sunrisers Hyderabad will be their number 6 batting position. They'll likely go with Abhinav Manohar after spending 3.2 crores to buy him. But he has just played 2 games last season. Now he will be in the finisher role alongside Klassen, right? But whether or not he can thrive under pressure and deliver consistently is yet to be seen. And also, if you look at the other Indian backup batting options, Aniket Verma, he is in his debut IPL season. And Sachin Baby, I think, hasn't played in IPL since 2021. So, if any of the key batters get injured, Hyderabad can be in trouble. And that also brings me to say that Mohammad Shami and Pat Cummins' fitness will also be crucial. On paper, their bowling looks strong, but we know Pat Cummins just missed the entire of Champions Trophy due to injury, and before that, Shami was missing from action for a long time. So if any of them get injured, it can be a problem for Hyderabad. So yes, fitness is the key. Also, I want to mention one more thing. So if you look at their top 5 batters, they mostly play with an aggressive approach, right? But sometimes in some matches, you need someone who can stabilize an innings. So I think Hyderabad needs to figure out who will play that role in those matches whenever needed. Anyway, Now it's time for my probable playing 11. So here it is. So, of course, it's the deadly opening duo of Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma, followed by Ishan Kishan, Nitish Reddy, Klasen, Abhinav Manohar, Pat Cummins, Harshal Patel, Adam Zampa, Rahul Chahar, and Mohammad Shami. Impact players can be Aniket Verma, Jaydev Unadkat, and Simarjit Singh. Well, as I've already mentioned many times in this video, this is a really solid squad, and I think they have a high chance of making it to the playoffs. In fact, truth being said, I'll be surprised if they don't. But player fitness and consistency will be crucial. But I'm very, very excited to see what Sunrisers Hyderabad have to offer in this season's IPL. What do you think? Do you think they can make it to the playoffs? What is your thoughts on their squad and on the probable playing 11? Let me know in the comments. And if you've liked today's video, you know the drill. Please don't forget to give a like. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel Offside Opinions yet, please do it today. Thank you.